So bafethu kwaSedibank they still want their credits. They still want their credits. Bafuna imali yabo from uGabriel because ingoma Mpumi Ntshontshiwe as known. The song is stolen, but they still want their credits. You understand? So uyasho-ke lapha uwenda ukuthi hayibo, if uGabriel tries something silly and tries to rip them off, they will actually expose him. Yabo, uye noMpumi abasho njalo beno Wendi ukuthi if Gabriel tries to do something, they will rip him off. Yabo. But Maruna is quiet about the situation, you understand, because she did not get the song as she wanted, yabo, which is sad, but Mpumi has to get her credit because the song was actually stolen by her. On the other side, Bafethu, Bongo no Felicia meet up, and this meeting is about Genesis. So finally, Ubongo has agreed to actually work with Uthandi. He has agreed to be humble about Uthandi and apologize for whatever happened, the tension between them, you understand. So Felicia came up with the suggestion ukuthi Bongo should decrease artists lapha Genesis because they're losing money. On the other side, bafethu Gabriel ke uhlangabezana nomsizi. Umsizi slept on Gabriel's doorstep. This is sad because it looks like the guy is actually abandoned because of his mistakes. Yabona amanga akhe and ukuxabanisa ama-family, understand? As you can see, guys, umsizi bamthole lapha kwi-doorstep efuna ukuyoxolisa laphana. And he told Gabriel ukuthi he went to the Sedibanks to actually go and apologize, yabona, and like acknowledge his mistakes, yabona, amaphutha akhe awenzile, yabona. So this is painful, I won't lie. I will tell Gabriel vula umnyango wabona umsizi, so at least they let him inside to go and bath, you understand, and then maybe they can talk about something. So uNandipha Bafethu is trending on the net. She is trending because people found out ukuthi yena noMafito are dating, you understand, and it's not nice because they're calling her Mkukumjolo, you understand. They're saying that she is dating in the shacks kanye no Mafito, you understand, which is crazy, you understand, because now she went on a live. And when she went on a live, she undermined Ufistos. She spoke bad and negative about Ufistos, telling the people on the live Ufistos is just a guy that he actually met, which was desperate, and he just gave him a chance, you understand, to be that guy, yabona. And Umafisto is her garden boy. Mephisto is working under her garden, which is crazy because these people are dating. Next thing you go on a live, now you speak bad about your partner. Hey, that's crazy, I won't lie. Gabriel Bafethu is a generous guy, I can say. At some point, he's a generous guy. As much as I hate to say this, but he's a generous guy because he sent him Sisi to the shower to go bath. They gave him clothes, you understand, and then never I'm telling you, breakfast. This guy is actually a good guy at some point, yabona. He was generous to Umsizi, but Umsizi futhi continued apologizing lapana ku Gabriel, yabo, continued apologizing, and came to a point where Gabriel was like, okay, he is actually indebted to the Sedibanks because of Umsizi, you understand. It's hard for him because now he has to pay the Sedibanks money. He has to pay them consistently, do you understand? Because they have been on his neck, they're nagging him to pay money because he stole ingoma kaMpumi. But it was all Mpumi's fault because Gabriel bengazi. On the other side, Bafethu Maruna goes to Ubongo, and Ubongo did not expect this meeting, yabo. So uma ifika laphana kuBongo, she came to apologize for everything. In fact, she came to apologize for accusing Bongo regarding leaking her album, you understand? Because now they found out Umsizi was the one who was responsible of leaking the album. So now Maruna actually, Abona was kind of mad when she heard Ubongo was the one who leaked the album, you understand? Otherwise, Umsizi was the one who leaked the album. On the other side, it's bad for the couple, I won't lie. This is a cute couple, but it's bad because Unandi has ego because Umsizi lives in a shack. Now Umsizi is realizing, no, Umafito, guys, I'm sorry, Umafito Bafethu is realizing Unandipha is acting like she is better than Umafito, which is actually unfair to Umsizi, honestly, understand? So now, obviously, Umsizi, I think, saw the live video, uyabona, and ayimphathanga kahle leyo nto leyo. So now he came to confront, yabona, uNandi, and uNandi told uMafito ukuthi there's nothing she actually wants Mafito to do, or Fistos to do, than to lay low. They have to keep their relationship low key, underground. That's what she was asking for. But Bafethu broke the relationship, so it's officially over between these two, because obviously uNandi is bragging which she's a chartered accountant, and Fisto is underestimating and embarrassing her. On the other side, Bafethu, Ubongo was asked which artist did he get rid of, and Ubongo Bafethu came up with an idea of a tour. You understand? A tour between 3 cities in South Africa, which is Durban, Joburg, and Cape Town, yabona, to sustain Genesis and to sustain their artists, to make more money, because Felicia was actually complaining of losing money. So the more they lose money is the more they have to reshuffle and make money again by selling tickets, yabona, doing shows and whatsoever. But Ubongo suggested that they must not lose any artist. Instead, they must actually start up a tour that's gonna actually bring Genesis on the rise and their artists. Uthandike seemed like she actually loved the idea by the face, you understand. On the other side, Bafethu Gabriel visited abantu bakaSedibeng, so he came to actually lay a generous offer of money, because obviously Uwendi noMpumi were actually longing and actually were on Gabriel's neck, yabona, regarding money. Gabriel must pay them because Gabriel stole a song, you understand. It's now his responsibility to actually take out savings from his account and pay the Sedibeng. So Citibanks are happy, yabona, because Gabriel wrote down a sum of money that he's gonna pay them. Maruna does not seem to actually like the idea, because Maruna can't say anything. Maruna is part of Genesis. Kanji Revelation was the one that actually stole Mpumi's song, not Genesis. So everything is under Revelation Records, yabona. So Maruna can't really say anything, yabona, but she looks like a person who does not actually like the idea, because Gabriel has once used her, yabona. So she feels as if Gabriel is also using Mpumi by actually giving them money and luring them, yabona, at some point, because Gabriel is dangerous for that, yabo. So moving on, Bafethu, Ubongo is excited to announce the tours, yabona, azowenzeka in one weekend, yabo, ngama-artist ase-Genesis. So he went on a live to actually announce ukuthi he has actually invented or established a tour lapana ne-Genesis, of which I do think Genesis approved his idea, you understand, even though we didn't see by approving idea, but I do think they approved his idea, yabona, because he went on a live and he's trending actually by actually venting out his idea ukuthi he's thinking ukuthi they must make 3 shows, yabo, like on a random weekend, like from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you understand, in 3 different cities. And yeah, he seems excited about it, I can say, you understand. So let me know what you think is gonna happen next on the comments, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.